I'm Ori. I'm a senior product designer at GitHub, and I help to design the remote control sessions with Copilot CLI or VS Code on GitHub Mobile. You get to start work on your computer, and then you can remotely connect to it on your phone and work on the go.
I'm Josh. I'm an engineer at GitHub. I've been getting all of GitHub's agentic offerings speaking the same language. One of the things that has enabled is remote control.
I'm able to stay connected and kick off new tasks with Copilot CLI, respond to it, and have it continue my local work. You can have multiple agent sessions going on at once. You can actually see all your sessions in one view.
Remote control enables me to check on the progress of my work and direct that work while I'm not at my laptop.
That frees you up to do anything you want.
You don't have to stay close to your desk to stay close to the code.